Welcome to Professor website. On the homepage, you'll see a clean and simple layout that makes it easy to explore everything. Now, let's click on the AI Tutors link. This is where we can access all the smart, interactive tutors we've built to help you learn faster and better. For example, we have Newton, your physics tutor, and Curie, your chemistry tutor. Each tutor is trained to explain concepts, answer questions, and make learning interactive and fun. Let's try out Newton, our physics tutor. Once we open Newton, you'll notice the chat history on the left side. You can easily click on any previous chat to view the entire conversation. This helps you continue where you left off or review past discussions anytime. If you want to start a new conversation, just click on New Chat. Then type your question. For example, explain Newton's first law. The tutor instantly gives a detailed explanation along with real-world examples, so it's easier to understand and connect the concept to everyday life. If we ask the tutor something like, "Give some problems on this law," it instantly provides a set of practice problems. What makes it even better is that these problems are connected to real-world situations, helping us understand how Newton's first law applies in daily life. If you want to change the chat name, you can simply click on the three dots next to the chat box. Then, select the rename option and enter a name according to your conversation. This helps keep everything organized and easy to find later. If we want to delete a chat, we can simply click on the three dots next to the chat box. Then, select the Deletes option. This will remove the chat from the list and help keep things clean and organized. In the same way, we can use other tutors too, like Mendel, the biology tutor, Euler, the maths tutor, and Curie, the chemistry tutor. First, let's open Mendel, our biology tutor. Here, we have a short chat, where Mendel explains the concept of DNA, giving a simple and clear explanation that helps us understand the basics easily. Next, with Euler, the maths tutor, we've had a longer conversation where Euler explains how to find the volume of a cone and a cylinder. The tutor breaks down each formula step by step and even explains how these shapes relate to real-world examples. Finally, we move on to Curie, the chemistry tutor. In this part, we've had a detailed conversation where Curie explains chemical formulas and IUPAC names. The tutor clearly explains how to name compounds and write their formulas, making chemical naming easy to understand.